Welcome back, my goodies. Today your Caribbean queen is going to be cooking some brown stew pork. So as you can see, I have my pork in bag because I already pre-seasoned this from overnight, because I like when my pork is seasoned from overnight. But I'm going to go through the seasoning that I use on the pork. Okay, so the seasoning that I use Cool Runnings product. Cool Runnings need to send me something for their promoting their stuff. But anyways, because I want to let you know what seasoning I use. I use the Cool Runnings seasoning. So I use the chicken seasoning, one tablespoon of chicken seasoning, half tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of onion powder. I use 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half tablespoon of roasted garlic and peppers, and I use 1 tablespoon of Maggi chicken seasoning, half tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I didn't put the browning on it because I didn't know if I want to brown stew or if I want to curry. So I have the browning here that I'm going to be adding to the pork to do the brown stew, Jamaican brown stew pork. So I'm just gonna add the browning. Don't wanna add too much because browning can make your food bitter. So we're gonna rub this in and then we're gonna finish up the process. Okay, so you see it's nicely rubbed in. So now we're just gonna go over to the stove and finish off. So here I have some oil, not much, just a little bit, and I'm just going to add half tablespoon of minced garlic. You can add 2 cloves of garlic. Just give it like 2 seconds and then we're gonna add the pork. So we're gonna leave this for about, just for it to get a little bit of color. Just spread it out. And leave it to get some color. And we're gonna spin them over on the other side. When one side get color, we just spin it over on the other side and let it get a little bit of color before we put any water or anything else on it. Okay. All right, the goodies. So we turn them over on the other side. So I'm just gonna add some water now. Just like that, just enough water to cook your pork. I did throw off some of the oil because I didn't want too much of the oil. So I'm just gonna add a piece of ginger and then I'm going to cover it down and let it cook part way, and then we're gonna come back and finish seasoning our pork. Okay, good. So add some more water, enough to cook the pork. Add in the ginger, and now I'm going to add some pimento seed. And I'm just gonna cover this down and allow it to cook a little bit before I add the rest of seasoning. Okay, goodies, so this is the progress so far. You see the water almost half the water that we put in, and the pork is nice and soft already. So we're gonna season up now. So this is optional, but I love to add a little bit of brown sugar, just like half tablespoon. And then I'm going to add some thyme, and in here I have some bell peppers and 1 green onion and half of a hot pepper. That's a hot pepper. And I have 1 onion and some bell peppers. You can put green onion or scallion in here as well. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And I'm just going to cover this back and allow the gravy to go down and allow this seasoning that I just added to the pot to cook in, and the gravy to thicken up. So yeah, man, I see the progress. I see the thing looking good, beautiful. Love the color. If you don't like the color that you have, you can add more browning, but don't add too much at a time. It's best if you add little by little. Okay, remember, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so as yet. Don't go away, stick around for the final result to see how it looks. Taste your pot. If you want some salt, add some salt, okay? Alright. Alright, goodies, see the gravy gone down. Everything looks good. Very thick and nice, see that? Yeah. That's the final result. So let me know if you love this recipe. Hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, leave me a comment. Share the videos, my friends. Look at this beauty here. My favorite part. Soft and nice. Delicious. Until next time, my friends, walk good.